Hi, I'm Bodie Pyndus, and today I'm going to talk about the Beads of Courage program and the opportunity you have to build a box and to give back to the community by contributing that to the Beads of Courage program. So let's get started. The Beads of Courage program originated for children coping with cancer and now covers a wide variety of children's diseases. Beads help children tell the story of their illness first to themselves, then to others. Every bead represents something painful or uncomfortable to the child. Children receive in 1 year over 500 beads. Some have more than 1,000. They are more than just beads of courage. They are beads of life.
Thank you for building these boxes. We really appreciate them. They're all so special and unique, and we love having them. So thank you.
Thank you so much for building these boxes for us. We love every one of them. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much for making these boxes for our Beads of Courage program. Our patients and families appreciate them so much.
I want to start by thanking you for watching this video and considering to make a box for the Beads of Courage program. And in doing so, I'm going to give you one of these Sawdust Brothers stickers. Sawdust Brothers is going to represent the Give Back campaign for our national rollout for the Beads of Courage box build. So below in the show notes will be a link to the Beads of Courage box build that I previously did, and a link to the video by CBS News about the Beads of Courage program. I encourage you to watch both of those.
Bead box that is in the unit for all the patients. Each bead is on our prescription card, and it has a meaning for something that happened within that day for the patient. So if they had an IV in their arm, there's a bead for that. Overnight stay, there's a bead for that. Respiratory therapy, social speech therapy, any kind of therapies, there's a bead for that. So usually at the end of the day, our patients go and pick out their beads and show their beads of courage for their journey.
So all you have to do to contribute to the Give Back campaign is build a box, send it to us at the address below in the show notes, along with a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I'm gonna mail you one of these Sawdust Brothers stickers, signifying that you have given back. The community of woodworkers gives back. That's important. Because I'm in Dallas, Texas, we'll start here until we fulfill their need for boxes. Then after that, we'll expand around the country to many of the 240 participating children's hospitals around. So if you're in another country and would like to participate in the Beads of Courage box build, send me an email and I'll put you in touch with the closest hospital to you so we can make sure your Beads of Courage box is delivered. As you watch the rest of this video, I think you'll see the passion and compassion from the nurses from the Children's Medical Center here in Dallas as they talk about the Beads of Courage program in the balance of this video. So I delivered the boxes to the Children's Medical Center in Dallas, Texas. And lo and behold, they had these little red wagons. They use these to make the children feel comfortable as they move them about the hospital from location to location.
Let me show you one of our standard rooms for our patients. This one is ready for an OR admission. So hopefully we're ready for anything. We can do OR. The OR will be admitted here. And they usually will stay here until they're ready to go to the floor.
I'm Julia Gersten, and I have been at Children's for 5 years and then been in the healthcare for 13 years as a nurse.
I'm Delaney O'Brien. I came right out of school into here, so I've been here about 15 years. This one trained me back in the day. So this is the nursing job that I've had since I got out of school.
I'm Brandy Brown. I've been at Children's for 22 years. And 18 years of it has been specifically the cardiac ICU. Any patient from birth,
Newborn,
to adulthood.
to adulthood. We've had 50-year-old patients who've had a congenital heart defect, so they were born with some kind of defect with their heart. can come here for surgery. We also do cardiac failure, so any patient that's in heart failure can come here. We do transplants. So pretty much anyone that needs help as far as with their heart will come into this unit.
And some of them will come back for multiple procedures. Certain defects require certain levels and steps of procedures. So we see them as babies, we see them as toddlers, we see them as children, you know,
Teenagers.
teenagers. Thank you for building these boxes. We really appreciate them.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much for making these boxes for our Beads of Courage program, our patients.
If you'd like to see where all the hospitals that participate in the Beads of Courage program are, or would like to know more about the Beads of Courage program, I'll leave a link for you to their website down in the show notes. So be sure and check it out. So I'm asking you today to build a box. If not today, maybe next week, or maybe next month. But these boxes are greatly appreciated by the children. So if you can't build a box or not a woodworker, that's okay. Just give us a thumbs up, and knowing that we're going to continue to strive to build the boxes for the Beads of Courage program. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.